The X letter is a unique shape for design inspiration. The layout of this house is X-shaped. The shape is symmetrical so that it will be the same shape when viewed from several sides. I divide the house plan into two parts. 75% I use it for indoor rooms. I use it for bedroom, kitchen, and living room. Then I use 25% for the outdoor area without roof. If you imagine the X letter has 4 feet of the same size, then 3 feet are the room and 1 foot is the outer area. If you have an elongated square-shaped house area, you can use the rest of the area for the garden. This house has 2 bedrooms. Both of them are at 2 feet X letter. The pool area can be accessed easily from the bedroom. You only need to open the sliding door next to the swimming pool. The X letter house design can be interesting design. It is right? What do you think?